Welcome to David Alexander Maths Tuition. This is chapter 5b on y equals mx plus c. So we have been asked here to work out the gradient and the y-intercept of these lines. So we need to remember that the equation of a line is always y equals mx plus c, where m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. So gradient, y-intercept. Okay, so here the gradient is 3, the y-intercept is 2, which would mean it's got coordinates 0, 2. What about if it's just x? Well, remember that could be 1x, so the gradient is 1, the y-intercept is -1 or 0, -1. Now with this, so far so easy hopefully. Now it only works when it's y equals mx plus c. Here we've got 3y. So what we need to do is divide through by 3. So if I divide everything by 3, I'm going to get y is 2/3 x plus 7/3. We can leave it as fractions, so the gradient is 2/3, the y-intercept is positive 7/3, or the coordinate 0, 7/3. Okay, so for this one, this one's all over the place. So first of all, I want to make y the subject, and the easy way for me to do that is just to pull that over here. So I'm going to have 5y equals 7x minus 12. Well, actually, it would be 7x minus 12 equals 5y. I've just reversed it all round. And now I'm just going to divide through by 5. So y is 7/5 x, take away 12/5. So the gradient is 7/5, and the y-intercept is -12/5, or the coordinate 0, -12/5. Okay, so quite often at A level, and this is something that's slightly new but it's really easy, is writing the lines in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0. Now normally you would do this just to get rid of nasty fractions. Okay, so for this one, if I want to make it equal 0, I'm going to pull the 2y over, and I want the y in between the x, or the x and the number, so I'll just move it from here to in between the 7x and the plus 7. So it's plus 2y on the left, so it will become minus 2y on the right, and there we have it. We can write this as 7x, take away 2y, plus 7 equals 0 as requested. Okay, so for this next example, the problem is we've got fractions and we've been told a, b and c need to be integers, so I'm going to multiply everything through by 4, so I'm going to get 4y equals 3x plus 1, move the 4y over to the other side, so 3x minus 4y plus 1 equals 0. Okay, so for this next example, I'm going to multiply through by 4 to give myself 4y equals 4 times 2 sevenths, which is 8/7x plus 13. Now I'm going to multiply through by 7. I mean, if you wanted to, you could have multiplied through straight away by 28, but let's just do it one step at a time. 7 4s are 28, so that's 28y equals 8x plus 13 multiplied by 7, which is 91. Move the y from the left-hand side to the right-hand side. So actually, I'll write this as 8x plus, sorry, not plus the 91, I'll put minus the 28y plus 91 equals 0, and we're done.